In a small, quiet district in Jamaica, there lived a woman named Miss Rona. She didn't have much money, and she lived all by herself, but her heart was full of faith. Every single morning she'd go to the old mango tree in her yard, close her eyes and pray, "Lord, I know you will provide for me." But one year, a harsh drought came. The once lush mango tree dried up, its leaves withered, and it bore no fruit. Her neighbors whispered that the tree was dead, that her prayers were in vain. But Miss Rona's faith never wavered. She kept praying under those barren branches. Then, one morning, something impossible happened. The tree, which everyone had given up on, was overflowing with ripe, juicy mangoes. They were heavy, sweet, and glowed like golden blessings in the morning sun. Farmers and even scientists came from all over. They studied the tree, but no one could explain it. Miss Rona just smiled and said, "God provides when man cannot." And from that day forward, the tree never stopped bearing fruit. People started calling it the prayer tree, a living testament to faith. Like, share, and subscribe for more Jamaican stories.